Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your clips in SteelSeries GG Moments. So basically when you clip, all your clips will appear right here, and basically if you want to edit your clip and export it, just go on the random clip that you want to edit, and right here you'll see the audio device. You can turn it off or just make a volume down right here for the chat device too. And with this icons you will see where you died, where you killed something, or you got an MVP, and you'll be able to add a text. Right here you will see these templates that are ready, and you can add the text, let's say easy or something like that, and you can add it and use this drag menu to drag it and make it your text to appear longer. And if you want to cut it, basically what you'll need to do is go right like this, and basically what you'll need to do is drag your clip like this. So it is the only way that you can do, or basically go to the other end and trim it like this. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.